So, 4 days ago, I got suspended from selling on Amazon. On today, May 6th, well, why don't we just jump back a little bit. Go into my suspension. Unfortunately, I have a folder called suspension. But anyway, so let's come in here. Ready? I got everything we need in here for this video. May 2nd, what happened on May 2nd? Let's check it out. Amazon has suspended your account. Okay, great. And we could also see here, suspended. Very clearly. However, you guys know the story. If you don't know the story, there will be a link in the description. Go watch that. If you know the story, welcome. Let's just click on this. Which one is it? Is it this one? Okay, so that wasn't as dramatic, but yeah, I got my account back. Okay. Exciting music, something, I don't know. I got it back. Where is it? I titled it. Oh, it's right here. Reactivated. So this is the email I got this morning. I woke up to this email. Dear blank. Your submission has been reviewed and your account has been reactivated. Very cool. And so that's pretty much it. What's next? What's on the agenda? Well, first of all, probably have some questions about what happened to my products when I got suspended. Well, since it was only about 4 days, nothing really. Actually, let me check my seller account right now. I've already sold several units today and we just got reactivated. So nothing really happened, thankfully, because I acted so quickly. Now, if you had waited weeks or months, you essentially would have to relaunch your products. But for me, I'm still on page 1 for both of my products, so that is awesome. Didn't affect my sales, except for the opportunity cost of not being able to sell for 4 days. By, close to $1,000 there, but whatever. We got the account back and that's all that matters. What do we do from here? Well, I have never been so motivated to find some low-hanging fruit, AKA products that most people would overlook, that you could launch very easily with a small budget and just micro test the hell out of a ton of products. I'm like excited. I cannot wait to do some more product research and get more products going. This was like a slap in the face and it really made me just want to like really hammer down and get to that 10 private label product checkpoint, right? Or 5 even. Well, do I have 5 now? No, maybe 1 more. But anyway, yeah, I want 10 products doing $100 a day. That was the goal from the beginning, $1,000 a day. Craziness, but yeah, we could do it. We're reactivated here. So now, God, it has been a crazy month, has it not? Well, it's May now. Crazy beginning of this month, it kind of poured over into this one. But anyway, I'll be back on track now, guys. We'll be coming at you daily uploads, tutorial videos, product research, all the good stuff. And this was a setback, but you got to expect stuff like this to happen. Online business or anything in life, nothing's ever going to go perfectly. So just take it as, whatever. We just got to figure this out. Don't get worked up about it. And I'm sure you could see the way I reacted. It's not a big deal. Not a big deal. So I actually, dang it. I'm going to have to blur so much stuff out. This is annoying. I keep opening things. Okay, whatever. I'll remember. So a lot of you guys were asking in the comments, who are you using? Like, how did you get your account back so quickly? Well, you guys didn't know that until I got it today, but I told you guys I used an attorney. And you're wondering who it was, what their services were. So who I worked with, how I found them, I just literally searched Amazon Amazon seller attorney. I think that's actually the name of their company as well. Amazon seller attorney. Yeah, Amazon sellers.attorney. It was that one? Yeah. No, it was this one. Aha. Yes. Amazon sellers attorney. Right here. Let me just make sure it's the right one. Yes, it is this. Amazon sellers attorney. I don't know if this is like actually them, but I worked with someone named Kenneth. Very, very easy to work with. Very quick. Yes, it was $850, which is kind of a lot of money. But it's not near as much as not being able to sell on Amazon, right? That's tens of, if not six figures worth of money. So it was super easy. So I came here, and then what did I do? I clicked on like suspensions. I went to suspensions, and then it's really easy. You get a free consultation, really. So you kind of tell them what happens. And the reason that I did this is because I've heard so many people try and write these appeals themselves and then end up months later still not having an Amazon account. I literally can't afford to do that. I rely heavily on Amazon. Obviously, that's what this whole channel is about. So I was just like, you know what? Let's let someone professional do this. So Kenneth from Amazon Seller's Attorney helped me out. He asked for a little bit of information from your seller's account, kind of in-depth explanation of what happened, why you got banned, if you're using third-party services like Page1ify. After that, they write a super, super in-depth legal document looking appeal. Very professional. I would not have been able to come close to writing anything like that. So they did a killer job. If you guys want, I'll actually just link right to the service that I used. You can get it in the description. If any of you are suspended watching this or get suspended in the future, there'll be a link in the description. And you could, I think I asked the guy if he, told him kind of my situation, that I'm on YouTube, and he said, yeah, he would love if I could send some traffic over. I love the service so much that I have no problem doing so. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It was Amazon Seller's Attorney. If you ever get banned, get suspended, if you get hijackers on your listing, check it out. Hijacker removal, anything like that, we'll be able to take care of that for you. I'm sure if you got an IP infringement on your seller's account, you got suspended that way, that would also count. So yeah, I loved using it personally. If anything were ever to come up with my account again, I would definitely use these guys. Good stuff. But yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap it up there for today's video. We are back tomorrow. I'm gonna put out a product research video. I don't have one, but I'm gonna make one tomorrow because I'm excited and I want to do product research. And I have some new tips for you guys. I've been learning stuff behind the scenes. It's been a really weird last like 40 days with me moving and all that, not having a computer. And then I get here a week later, I'm suspended. Ugh. But I kind of like it. It's like challenging, right? I love the opportunity. Like when failure comes, I don't look at it as failure. It's an opportunity to evolve. That's what I say. Like I said that in my last video. And I got that actually. Is that book close to me? No, it's right there. Principles by Ray Dalio. That's where I learned that from. You look at every challenge or any result that isn't desirable as an opportunity to change it, establish a principle that will then make it so that when you run into that situation in the future, you'll be like, oh, that was that principle. I need to apply that here, and we'll get out of that situation or even prevent it from happening in the first place. So I'm glad to tell you guys I am back. I'm up and running. My desk is set up. I'm going to IKEA today. There's an update for you. I need a couple small things around the apartment. Like that new plant over there. His name's Monster. It's a Monstera plant. Something else, I forgot the other part of it. I'll do another apartment tour now that I have like furniture coming in and stuff. And then obviously you can see right behind me, there's no couch. So that's coming today. That'll be set up. Getting some small tables from IKEA. Linz, what else are we getting from IKEA? Lights for the balcony. Yeah, we'll do another apartment tour for sure. But that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna get going. I actually have some stuff to do today. Like I said, I'm gonna be going to IKEA. It's a little bit of a drive, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay? All right, awesome.